How to do, dance the quick step. If it seems like you were born with 2 left feet, this guide will have you cutting a rug in no time. Instructions: Step 1. Finish by stepping to the left with your left foot and then sliding your right to meet your left again. Quick tip: practice each half of the dance slowly and separately from your partner before performing it together. Step 2. Repeat the steps in the opposite direction to finish a whole quick step routine. Did you know, in the 1930s, the dance marathon industry employed an estimated 20,000 people? Step 3. Move in the opposite direction by first stepping backwards with your right foot for the slow movement. Step 4. Perform the 2 quick steps by stepping to the left before sliding your right foot together with your left foot. Step 5. Count 4 times per measure to get a feel for the beat. The pattern for the quick step is 1 slow step followed by 2 quick steps that each take half as long as the first slow step. Step 6. Step forward with your right foot for the first slow movement and remember to always start with that foot if you are the leader. Quick tip: your partner will step opposite for each movement, so if you start on your right foot and step forward, your partner will step back with their left. Step 7. Stand straight and tall with your head aligned with your spine and hold your arms up and out with your elbows just below your shoulder line.